A cutting tool, 40% of the total cost is in the rod. So, when you have an increase in carbide prices by 100%, you really need to look at what can I try and do to be more efficient. Performance Plus really, I think now, has become key. In every case we've been able to increase the customer's efficiency and reduce cycle time. We'll go in, spend some time with the customer looking at their current process, take some examples of tools that they're doing, and run it through Performance Plus. So Performance Plus is looking at not only the software or machine, but all of the other things like grinding wheels, coolant. We do things like we use MTC, motor temperature control. We use tool runout compensation. In RN35, we use the feed rate optimizer. That really looks at the entire program. Where is there gaps? Where can we shorten the program and decrease the cycle time? When your carbide price goes up by 100%, every single gain that you can get back in efficiency is key. One part that we see now quite common is that customers don't use the wheels probably as efficiently as they can. So we're able to take the data from the grinding wheel company, put that into our software to find that optimal cycle time and optimal performance, speeds and feeds. Bringing all those things together to increase efficiency. And in every case that I've been through this with the customers, we've always found a gain, 10, 20, even 30, 40% decrease in cycle time. What we're doing is not only just the software side, but we give the customer a detailed report. So we'll take some examples from their real-time production, and we maybe pick 2 or 3 different types of tools. We'll run it through this system, give them a full detailed report back saying, this is some of our recommendations. We look at obviously wheels, coolant, the entire process from end to end, and get some examples. And it's good to get the customer in that space, bringing everything together to reduce the cycle time.